Do you want to go in the basement? Go in the basement?
Ow!
かよ混乱するぜいやいやお前も動くなよ死ぬぞ
I found this nice little cat. I think she's a stray. Are you pregnant, you little whore?
The audacity.
Kill John Lennon! Kill John Lennon!
Come on, boo boo, finish your breakfast. Oh, what happened? Oh, are you okay, little boy?
Size kiranın tikini göstereceğim.
What'd you say my chain could have been?
Are you okay?
I have another goddamn cat stick his head in my Ruffles bag.
I have to shower. What are you doing? Are you...
Hey. Ow, beach. You just choked yourself up.
Why does this blanket feel so weird? It almost feels like... Oh.
Do I even weigh anything to you?
No, it's like holding a couple of grapes.
Oh, shoot him! Shoot him! Shoot them!
Let's go guys, I know with the player and one block, as you can see, look at all the robot. Let's go, eat.
That did not just happen.
That's my finger. That's my finger. That's still my finger. That is still my finger. Oh, you. Does that help? Yeah, there you go.
Mama. Mama.
Mama.
Penelope, you got caught again. Let me see. Put her down.
Good, bro. She just scratched the shit out.
I wish there was something that could cure my depression.
かよ。混乱するぜ。いやいや、お前も動くなよ。死ぬぞ。
So I just realized that I have accidentally conditioned my cat to come running to the kitchen every time I say shit. They assume that I dropped something, and they come running.
Kill John Lennon! Kill John Lennon!
Can I get a slushie?
What kind?
A blue one?
Okay, what size?
Mom.
You got ugly. Egypt, you smell like poop. You smell like poo-poo. You smell like poop busted. You fat boy.
Mom. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Call for your mama.
Bonjour, est-ce que je peux vous aider? Calypso.
Excuse me. You need to borrow these? Hello?
¿Qué está pensando, señora? ¿Mm? ¿O está enojada? ¿Por qué está así? ¿Mm?
My cat? My cat? Not my cat.
Show something you regret buying and what you turned it into.
Here comes the boy. Welcome.
Kiss your cat and see their reaction.
Can I get a slushie?
What kind?
A blue one?
Okay, what size?
Mom.
You smell what I smell? Hello? What is that stench?
You have any idea what's...
Ah, hello, Gordon Freeman. It's good to see you. No! Ah, it's good to see... Wouldn't you like to get one of these blood samples under a... What a peculiar... Get back! Are you 100% sure that theory of yours is correct? No! I believe this will make for a notable paper, don't you? Do you know who ate all the donuts?